Okay, let's see how Google Colab works. So I go to Google Colab. So first thing, I have a lot of options. I'm going to create a new notebook here. So now you have a screen like this. So basically it will create a notebook in our Google Drive. If you go to Google Drive, just search for this name and you can find it. My Hello Notebook. Here Google Colab is using an open source tool called Jupyter Notebooks. So they have added a skin inside this notebook. We can run Python commands and as well as shell scripts and as well as markdown or the documentation. So let's try to run some command. First, let's try to say 2 plus 2. Basically, this is a simple Python code. But then there's messages going here, connecting, initializing, and so on. So what's happening is behind the scene, Google is trying to connect to a machine which can run this command. So I can type something like 2 plus 20. So then I can shift enter and run this command. And I can go through any of these cells. I can run them again like that. So if I need to add some new block, I can edit from here, or I can edit from here a text cell. Here we can run any documentation to make your notebook looks nicer and informative. So here we can write markdown. Now we have our notebook. This notebook will automatically save to your Google Drive. Then I'm going to go to Google Drive. And then I'm going to type something called Colab notebooks. And I can see my notebook here. So let's go back to notebook. After you have done your changes, then you can go to file and save it, copy in Google Drive, or you can copy it into a GitHub or GitHub guest, and there are a lot of options. You can even download to your local machine. Another cool feature I like about Colab is the deep integration with GitHub. So for example, let's go to the main URL. Then I can go to this tab GitHub. Then I can type and I can copy any GitHub repository and put it here. And if that repository contains any notebooks, you can see them here. So these are all the notebooks available for our course. And then I want to mention you something about runtime. So if you're running any deep learning stuff, you need to have a GPU. So you can get a GPU by going to the runtime menu, change runtime type, and select a GPU and click save. So then you will be connected to a GPU machine. So I hope you enjoy this one, and Colab is really great.